Just recently, milestones were created in not only America, but the globe, especially. Just recently, the United States Department of Agriculture created genetically modified organisms, or GMOs. With these GMOs, several things are beneficial, not only for individuals specifically, but our economy. This leads me to my topic today. What are the benefits of genetically modified organisms? We're going to look at this question today with three major points. One being, what has it done for individual farmers' pockets? My second point being, what has it done to the local economy and global economy? And my third point being, what is the USDA's role in the GMO specifically? Let's now move on and turn our heads to what has it done to farmers' pockets. Just recently, BBC reported on October 17th that farmers are now having a more stable income today in this year, 2012, compared to in 2000 or 1999, whenever the harsh climates and disease and insects really played a toll on their crops and maybe got them to lose their crop in its entirety. Fortunately today, farmers are now having around a $100,000 annual income for an average farmer in a small community growing rice, compared to in 2000 having ranging from $100,000 to just $10,000. What a big difference it is because of the variations that can happen in a crop. With the GMOs, they are now disease resistant so that farmers can now fly over and not have to spray pesticides over their crop of rice and cause pollution for the local community and really have some health hazards right there. So it's reducing pollution for everyone and helping us have a greener, safer environment. Not only that, but if a freezing hard cold winter like the one we may experience this year, which has not been predicted yet, if that were to happen, then the crop of rice will still be able to survive and be productive and sufficient and lively and not have a chance of dying out and not being productive for the local farmer. Let's now move on to my second point being on what will GMOs do for the local economies and the national economy. New York Times reported September 29th of this year that with GMOs, not only will America be benefiting with our economy, but also for underprivileged countries, third world countries to be more exact, who have malnutrition crises on their hands. In Taiwan, their people are going through serious problems because they don't have enough nutrients and vitamin C. But with GMOs, we can actually do an experiment and have our strains of rice here in America, enhance them with vitamin C and nutrients, and ship this product to undernourished and malnourished countries to be the solved problem and solve their problem with our beneficial stuff that we have today, being called today GMOs. Let's now move the spotlight to my final point being, what is the USDA's role? To be more specific, the USDA reported in their scientific journal that GMOs were created in one of their scientific labs in Berkeley, California in 2002. The reason that sparked their start in GMOs was just to see what the benefits could be. The benefits have been extremely well. We can now control the sex of animals, we have high percent yield, we are now resistant to diseases and to harsh climate conditions. Also, there is negative effects that come from the genetic modifications of organisms. Some could be allergic reactions, which is a topic that's steadily arising with the USDA today on whether they should mandate GMO labeling for consumers so that they could prevent allergic reactions. Today, we have analyzed the question on what are GMOs to be specific with these 3 points. farmers' aspects, the USDA role in GMOs, and the economic impact. Thank you.